Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Natal.
Celestino.
Rich Metalan.
Sayonara.
Frohe Weihnachten.
Buon Natale.
Merry Christmas. Langsing Vivier.
Sritong Holy Stoven.
Gnädige Hunde.
Sleepan Verge. Playud.
Vesely Vanose. Vesely Vanose.
Founded in 2003, AOMA Co Ltd is a leading global developer and manufacturer in medical aesthetics. With over 23 years of expertise, we specialize in dermofillers, mesotherapy, PDN, and comprehensive CTO services. Our GMP-certified facility ensures Six Sigma precision and the highest quality standards. Every product complies with international regulations for safety, efficacy, and reliability. Our products are exported to more than 120 countries, including Europe, the United States, Colombia, Mexico, Brazil, Russia, Kazakhstan, and Iraq. We accept OEM ODM service. We collaborate with over 580 brands to provide customized aesthetic solutions. At AOMA Co Ltd, we believe beauty reflects inner strength. Join us in redefining the future of beauty.